Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to use Bumpy dating app. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So you might be looking for a way to basically start using Bumpy here as a dating app. Well, in this case, installing and using it is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and install the app. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, look for Bumpy, and just basically click on install. Now once you have this installed, let's go and click on open. Now, from here on, we need to create our account. So in this case, we just need to wait for Bumpy to load up. Let's go and click on continue with Google here. Or if you want to use other options here, like manually creating your account, you go and click on continue with email. Let's go and click on continue with Google. And from here, let's go and choose our Google account. Now, once we've chosen that, what we need to do is we need to fill out some information about yourself, like what's your name here. Let's go and click on next once you've entered that. Now, from here, you want to enter your date of birth here. Let's go and click on next at the bottom right once we answered that. Now, you want to go and just choose your gender here. Let's go and choose our gender. Click on next. And from here, what are you looking for? Let's go and choose women. Click on next. Now, from here, what is your goal? So, for example, we want to find a relationship. Click on next. And from here, you could go and click on build your profile. Now, you could go and just choose your hobbies here. Like, for example, I'm into drawing and I'm also into running. And also for music here, you could go and choose one, like for example, R&B. Now for pets, you may want to choose your pets here and going out. So just basically apply anything that is actually about yourself. So in my case, let's go and just choose ones in here. Let's go and click on this one until we get like around 15 selections here. So let's go and choose learning languages, attractions, cities, and nature. Click on save at the bottom right. Now from here, you could go and choose your height here or click on skip if you want to. From here, click on OK. And from here, go and click on skip or choose your weight. Click on OK again. Now from here, what is your orientation? So in this case, you want to go and choose the appropriate one for you. You could also choose your star sign here. Go ahead and choose that one. Or you could go and click on skip if you want to. Now it's going to ask you, do you do any sports here? You could go ahead and choose one that applies to you. Also, your education level. Go ahead and answer that. And also your marital status here. So you can go and answer single, married, or in a relationship. Let's go ahead and choose single. And from here, do you have kids? You can go and choose the option here, not yet. And do you drink? You can go and just answer, in this case, one that applies to you. And do you smoke? So you could go and choose never. Now, do you have pets? Like you could go and answer cats or any other pets here. Do you identify with any religion? So in this case, moving forward, just answer all the desired questions. Now from here, you want to add your photo. Let's go and click on select a photo here and just select your photo here. Now once you've added your photos here, this is what's going to look like. Now you can go enable notifications here if you want to. And from here, you should be able to see your profile. Now, by the way, the screen itself is actually protected, so you won't be able to see the actual screen that I'll be showing you. So in this case, the great thing about Bumpy here is it's secure. So in this case, not everyone can take screenshots or even like record videos within the app itself. Like also in here, you could go and just upgrade your plan if you want to, but if you don't want to, just click on the X button at the top left here, and that should redirect you in here. Now this actually works pretty similarly to in this case to any other apps or dating apps out there. Like you go and swipe left or right here. So if you like someone, you can go and swipe right. Swipe left if you don't like them, or if you want to skip them. And also, you can go and click on profile at the bottom left here to view your profile. Now, you could see your likes, your boosts, and all the information that you may want to know. Now, also, you could go and click on your full profile picture here if you want to edit this, just in case. You can also click on the map here if you want to see the map, like for example, the profiles that you may be interested in. Also, you have people here if you want to start viewing different profiles, liking them if not. And also you have the chats here at the bottom right here if you basically want to see people who like you, or the chats of the people that actually like you. So yeah. So also, by the way, if you want to see people that actually like you, you go and click on see who liked you and click on see who liked you. And again, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to see them. But yeah, so using the app is pretty easy. Just fill out all the information here, and in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to End of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.